Malabuhu.
Yep, that's me.
Okay, so let's see. This is Jessieswigs. I've never worked with this company before, but when they hit me up with this 30-inch pre-cut unit and it was like it's really, really thick, I was like, I don't think. Because y'all know I live for some thick hair, baby. And they did not disappoint. So this is all the stuff that came with it. These were some earrings that they had in the box, which I thought were really cute. So this is the wig. And I'm like, okay, so when I pulled it out, first off, the knots look like they were already bleached. They were not, but they look like that. This lace was so thin in the best possible way. And I love the fact that it has like this silicone around the sides and on the strap as well. So it makes it much easier for, cause see, combs sometimes for a lot of us, they just hurt. So sometimes you want another like, and I don't hate wig grips, but I don't love them either. So this is what it ended up looking like straight out the bag. And I'm like, this blends so good, and I haven't even done anything yet. But just look at how beautiful this looks. So I went ahead and bleached it. Used my regular 40 with some regular BW bleach, cause girl, she never fails us, right? All right, so this is when I did one side. Look how full this hair is, y'all. Like, look how full. Like, y'all gonna see in the video, but this hair was so full. It took me a while to get through this in the best way possible. I've noticed that a lot of pre-cut wigs that are usually like made to be middle parts and they're just like the closure wigs, they're not always thin. I mean, they're not like back in the day thin, but they're a little thinner than I would like. This hair is so full. My hand, I was like, oh my God. And y'all know I love a good, look how slick she is though. Look how slick she is though. Y'all know I love a good sleek moment. So the thicker the hair, the sleeker the hair will look, but also look how good it lays. And this hair is so good. It does not frizz on me whatsoever. One of my followers named Maya already got this wig from me, so shout out to her. But baby, this is the one. This is the one. My only gripe with this wig is that I don't know what it is about the strap placement in the inside. I had took it out because when I had it on the mannequin, it was making the wig look bulky, and you know, if you're trying to lay it out, that ain't gonna work. So I ended up taking it out, and you're gonna see in a minute that I really realized, oops, when I put it on. Cause this wig is, I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's a medium size. I always get medium size just because my hair is really thick and I don't braid my hair anymore. So sometimes, I have a little blow dried moment. I need a little extra space. But look how sleek this is. And it was sleek in the bag. So here she go, ham, looking cute. So I went ahead and I was like, okay, let's go ahead and put her on and let's see what she talking about. And as soon as I put it on, look how loose it is because I forgot that strap. So I went back like Dumbo, put the strap on. Went, got the strap, put her on. What is it? 50 Cent, get the strap. So once I put it on, baby, when I tell you already, and I hadn't even did anything. Only thing I did was bleach. That was it. And flat iron, obviously. So I positioned, and this lace is so good. Look how beautiful this is. Look how full that is. This would take in bundle form. This would have to be 5 bundles of hair in order for my hair to look this full with the ounceage that you get in wefts. Look, I was feeling it. Okay, I'm getting used to my new setup and everything too. So yeah, I was living. Now look at that, straight up and boom. None of that. None of that's me. None of it. And they also provided this cap that I'm wearing too. I did it off camera just because you guys know how to put on a stocking cap. People are doing it on their dogs at this point. But I did it off camera. But they have the HD ones, which you seen in the beginning of the video. And the HD caps are the best. They dry down so quick. You don't have to sit there forever blow drying it because they're so thin and they're easy to blend. Look how full that is. Girl, I had to hit y'all with a little slow-mo. Okay, it was slow-mo, my bad. But yeah, this reminds me of my old school days when I used to just love a bust down middle part. And it's because and usually with these back in these were standard lace. it didn't come like this. So we used to have to work real hard to get this. And look how it just lays. I used a little Got to Be spray on it, and then I used some Cantu. I like to use the Cantu, what is it? Oil Sheen. And at this point, bitch, I was feeling it. I was feeling it, okay? And the part is long, just like I like it. I'm kind of mad that somebody already got this, but I have so many wigs like this. But I am going to order me one after this, just to put on the side, just because I just love how thick it is. Excuse my hump. I had a nice little bun in the back, as y'all seen in the beginning. But she does lay really flat. No tangles, no shading, which I was surprised by because it's full and as thick as it is. What I will say is when you do shampoo this hair and condition it, use a really thick conditioner because of how full the hair is. You want to make sure that you condition all of it, because this was this was after a condition. I did a co-wash on it. So I did it originally, I wore it, and then I did a co-wash, and then I wore it again. So shout out to Jessieswig. Y'all over there killing it, okay? So let me know how y'all feel below, and I'm gonna catch y'all in my next one. Peace.
How fast can you get to me? Can you take the train? You know what I'm saying? Get to back to me. Come on through my heart.